Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about growing zucchini in your garden. If you have a vegetable garden or planning to grow vegetables, then zucchini is definitely a must-have. Zucchini is a type of squash that is edible and can be grown very easily in the garden. The zucchini looks like a big cucumber and it is related to plants like pumpkins and melon and tastes quite similar to them. The plants are generally bushy and have a creeping habit, and they have big leaves almost like pumpkin plant. The fruit has a nice taste and you can do various recipes with them. These are quite reliable plants to grow in the garden. You can actually grow them in pots and have great results and quick results. From my experience, these plants grow and fruit quite quickly. So these are great plants even for beginner gardeners. Zucchinis are called summer squash, and in colder climates they are mainly harvested in the summer. But if you live in a tropical climate like India, you have to grow them in the winter season. So grow them according to the climate you live in. 18 to 25 degrees Celsius is ideal temperature to grow them. Just like any other vegetable plants, these need to be grown in full sun. Plant them in a sunny location and give them 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. They will not fruit well if they don't get proper light, and too much shade can cause a lot of disease. So planting them in the right location is very important. You can start them from seeds or get little plants if they are available in your local nursery. They germinate very easily. Now if you are growing them in container, then you need to choose a big pot for them. At least a 12-inch pot will be good. They're big and bushy plants, so they will need a big space to grow properly. And for soil, a rich, well-draining moist media is best for them. With your soil, mix good amount of compost to improve the soil quality. And you can also add mix of bone meal, horn meal and blood meal. Get the soil ready 15 to 30 days before planting for best results. When they are in active stage of growth, keep feeding them regularly with a liquid feed every week. You can use a balanced NPK. I use mustard cake weekly. Once a month, you can add some granular organic feed mixed with some compost. It will help boost healthy fruit production. Zucchinis are heavy feeders, so you have to feed them regularly with good quality fertilizer to get the best results. When the plant starts to produce flowers, they usually produce male flowers at first. Then later the plant will produce female flowers, and then you will get to see fruits developing after pollination. The flowers are edible and we eat them. You can fry them or put them in a mixed veg dish. You can pick the male flowers and eat them if you want. We love them here. When you're harvesting the fruits, try to pick them when they are still young, like around 6 to 8 inches long, to get the best texture and flavor. You can pick them after around 40 to 50 days from fruit setting. Don't let them get too old on the plant. Regular harvest will also ensure more fruit setting and a better harvest for a long time. Now these plants can get some pests which can be annoying. The worst are the flies that make holes in them. So I covered them, and this is how I saved them from pest attack. For other problems like fungus and aphids, you can spray neem oil weekly. Keep the plant clean by cutting the older leaves at the bottom. They take nutrients and also attract pests. So this is how you can grow zucchini. They're fairly easy to grow vegetables that you can grow in your garden, and they're quite hassle-free. If you haven't grown zucchini, definitely grow them. I'm sure you will enjoy them. They give you a great harvest in a short time. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.